Hello all, welcome to my channel Baby Tintin Stories. So in this video I will like to share some few points that will make you to go for this stem cell banking. In this video it will be continuation of my last video. You can go and watch that. In that video I had discussed what stem cell banking exactly is, how it is done, and how it is useful in future for us, and what are the companies that are providing these services. Almost everything I had discussed in my last video. You can go there and watch that video, and in this video I will like to share few points that are that will make you to go for the stem cell banking, and one demerit also I will discuss in the end of this video. So you just watch it till the end so that you can go for this very easily blindly. And if you are going to stem cell banking, then please don't took it as a waste of money. it, you can take it as investment, or you can take it as donation, or anything you wish to want. But please uh, don't think that it will cost very much, or it is useless, or it is just waste of money. It is not. Few points I'm going to share with you will make you feel that it is not a wastage, it is a good decision that you should go for. So here the video begins. So the first point is, it is very much easy to collect. Like there is no pre structures is required. Whenever your due date is there, you can call to their volunteers. They will come at your place or at your nursing home, and they will do their job. And it is not like you have to plan for this, or you have to do something special for this. Nothing is that. It is very easy. Just one thing you have to do is, you have to call them on the time, because here time will play a very important role. If you will miss that duration of after delivery, then it will be lost, because the cells present in the blood within the umbilical cord can get they can get spoiled, or they can get dead. So it will not be of any use that one will collect that blood, then no stem cells will be there, so it will be useless. So only one thing you have to do is that you have to call them at the right time. They will come, they will collect, and they will do everything. You don't need to take any pain, you don't need to do anything extra, nothing. So it is very easy to collect, so why not you should go for this. Second point is that it will not cause any harm to mother or the baby. If one thing that the blood will be taken from the baby or from the mother, or anything like it will be interrupting your delivery process, so it is not. They will come, they will be there in the nursing home, and when you and your baby will be safe, or when the baby will be hand over to you in your hands, after that they will do the job. They will do their job with the waste product that we are going to throw it out. They are not going to harm baby or you in any way. Okay, one thing is that after collecting the blood from umbilical cord, they can take some blood from mother also through the syringe. Like, it is a normal process. We have gone through many tests, blood tests and many other tests, so it is not that much dangerous. The thing behind collecting sample of mother is that they are just taking it for just checking that whether there is any infection in the blood of mother or not, or any genetic sugar issue or diabetic issue, anything they are going to check through the sample of the mother blood. So in short, there is no harm to mother as well as baby. Both are safe, and both don't need to interfere in this whole process. So why not you should opt this stem cell bank. The third reason is that once the stem cell is collected, it will be preserved for the long time. It will be with them with decade to decade to decade, and whenever you will require, they will give it to you. And The second thing is that you cannot store or preserve those cells by yourself, or if you want that, you can store that in your refrigerator, or you can keep it with you, then it will be useless, because the stem cell or any living thing needs that environment to be live. So they are going to provide that environment. They will store that cell or blood sample in 140 degrees centigrade in the refrigerator, in the nitrogen, or whatever they have the technology, they are going to store it in those things. So if you are thinking that you can preserve this, so no, cannot be preserved by you for a long time. So please go for this. The cell will be preserved by them for a very long time. Third benefit is that it is readily available. That means whenever you will demand, whenever you are in need to cure any disease, then anytime you can call to them. They are going to provide you that stem cell to the hospital wherever it is required, and that is the very much advantageous thing of the whole process. Again, it depends upon the banking that you have opted. If you have opted the government banking, then obviously it will not be readily available to you anytime, because they are going to donate to someone else, someone needy. But if you are opting the private banking, then it is always available for you. It is specifically stored for you by the bank. So it here you can, it's upon you. But in government also, in government banking also, they will try to give you the cells that have matching property with yours. But if the correct match is not found, then they will say, sorry, we cannot give it to you. But this case is not with the private banking. They will make you available. They had stored specifically for you, so that will be always preserved with them, and they will always give it to you whenever it is feasibility. That means, like, whenever some bad times comes to us, then we just hope that something that is required should reach to us quickly, fastly, or anyhow. We just pray to God that this should happen. So in this thing, if you are in trouble or if you are requiring these things, then the matching feasibility will be 110% sure. That because the stem cells is yours, you don't need to go here and there in the emergency. You have the things that have the proper matching, and you can just call them, and obviously 110% that will match with the requirement. And not only to you only, their sibling or their cousins or their anyone in the family that have the same, that HRA or prototyping, whatever they are looking for, will be same, that will be given to them. So this is one more important benefit of stem cell banking that you should take for. Benefit is no waiting at all. You don't need to wait at all. Like, whenever you require, that they will give it to you. Waiting in the sense, in anywhere you don't need to wait. When it is the terms of collection of stem cell also, they will come at on time and they will do their job. Whether it is the condition when you are requiring that stem cell for treatment, then also they will come on time and they will provide it to you. You don't need to wait anywhere, anytime. They are doing their job on proper time, on accurate time, so you can trust to them, and you just can save your precious. Like, one more very important thing is that the cells that you are going to preserve is a very young cell. So why not, you should go for this stem cell banking, where your young cell, your had developed you, is being stored. So that thing you can get only once in your life. That opportunity will come again and again and again in the whole lifespan. Only one time you can opt for this, you can go for this. Then why you should not? Like, stem cells, that they are present in the young body also, but that will not attain the property that new stem cell have. So the thing is very much clear that you are not going to get that stem cell in whole your lifespan. So why you should miss that opportunity? So you should always prefer the stem cell banking, and you should all negative thing about this banking is that there is the chances that you are going to use that is very low, and it is also a plus point. One should pray that we should never use that stem cell. No such situation will come with us that we should opt for that thing. So it is also blessing, and like if that stem cell will be used by someone else, that will be also a blessing. So I hope you all get the clear idea or the benefits or the demerits of this stem cell banking. Everyone used to be in dilemma that whether we should use it or not. I was in dilemma, but now I had overcome with this that okay, it is a kind of donation also, or it is the security also, or it is the insurance also. You can take it in that way. So it's upon you what you want to do and what you want to not. And these are the few benefits or few plus points of stem cell banking that are very huge in front of the investment or in front of the money that you are going to spend in. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like, then like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that notification of my next video will be with you on time, and we should stay connected. So take care. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Tata.
Tata.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, and say thanks for watching.